welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's I have this mystery pack, so let's open it. I'm not opened it. I'm like so excited. Oh, this is so cute. So they're like Tabby squishies. So the yellow one is a Tabby squishy. We have this one. We have this one. So let's see what the names are. So we have the yellow one is Shirley. So I have Shirley. So I have Shirley is the yellow one, and then I have Rosie. Rosie, Shirley, and then I have Cupcake. Rosie, Shirley, and Cupcake. So this is Rosie. This is Shirley. And this is Cupcake. So I hope you give me a free thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!